Guys, it's Marlene and I am one of the Information Girls. Today we're going to talk about Autoplay. This is in the user settings of YouTube. All of this information is going to be linked in the description box above. So Autoplay is a feature on YouTube that enables you to lean back and experience and keep your videos playing without you having to select a new video when the video you're watching finishes. You can choose to turn off the autoplay feature at any time using the toggle option available on the watch page. So I'm going to show you right here. If you can see right here, it's a little toggle button. And as you can see, you just click it to the right and your autoplay feature will be turned on. And you can also choose to turn off this autoplay feature at any time so that you can get the best usage of your time. You can just sit back and enjoy watching videos here on YouTube. I am Marlene, and I am one of the Information Girls. And on this channel, we do no rumors, just the facts. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe now and turn on your notification bell so you will not miss any future uploads. I am Marlene, and as we say here on the Information Girls, no rumors, just the facts.
Where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat. Don't need no flag. Got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you